stop the hill.
Right.
My little sister comes into town, out of state. She comes in. We're riding all over the state. We ride down Key West. We ride throughout Central Florida. Sunday morning, we go down to the state park just to go down there and be with my grandkids.
Right.
We leave the state park. My little sister's riding behind me. We're doing the speed limit. We're not in a hurry. Beautiful day. 2 weeks later, I woke up in the hospital.
Oh, damn. What happened?
20-something-year-old girl. We're doing the speed limit. Just no hurry. No, life is great. We're doing 60 miles an hour. 20-year-old girl thought she had time to beat me. I found her side of her car. I went splat into the side of her car.
Right.
And that's all we're going to talk about.
That's usually what happens.
I got a few extra pieces of metal in me now.
Right.
Crushed my heel, crushed my wrist, broke my wrist, compound fractured on
It
my
must have been a
arm.
while ago then, huh?
Last year.
Last year.
March 17.
Right after you bought the helmet.
Yeah.
2 weeks after I bought this.
Wow.
I broke it.
Let me see the other side.
2 weeks after I bought it, I broke it. You know what I had? Minor brain damage. That's it.
Wow.
Woke up fully cognizant.
Right.
Broken bones on the extremities.
Well, it didn't make you any prettier, did it?
I tried. It failed. It saved my life. I
Good to
guarantee
hear.
you. Promise you. It saved my life.
You know, we had a guy here yesterday. It was his buddy was looking at it, and he said, "That's a piece of crap. You ain't gonna." And the guy walks away, and we get that now and then because people just don't know. But this is a damn DOT helmet.
I was here at Daytona last year. Picked that up. Saw that it was DOT.
Yeah.
And I said, that's for me.
Yeah.
And I put 2,000 miles on that helmet in the time I had it.
Wow.
Because she come down
Right.
to ride. I put 2,000 miles on that thing, and I loved it. Lightweight.
Easy on the neck.
Comfy. Easy on the neck. Great. Beautiful riding helmet. It's
So
right.
tell me, you brought that to me. Why?
Well, I was going to buy another one.
No, you were.
I was. Went on the
I'll sell
website.
you another one. However,
I go on the website. They got this little disclaimer on there. You got a police report with a verified crash,
yeah,
they'll give you a brand new helmet. No
Yeah.
charge.
that's it.
No charge. Brand new.
Brand
Replace
new.
it.
Yeah. Now, if you do it online, you got to throw $20 in the box just to cover the shipping and handling. But you come into the store or meet us here, there's going to be no cost for you. And what people don't understand, this is a DOT helmet. Now, what makes it unique is the fact it's so light and comfortable. You wear the thing, it's really easy on your neck. And yes, it's thin, and it's a minimalist type product. I mean, this is not a $500 Shoei. And nobody's under the illusion that they're getting a super safe helmet. They do know that it's DOT and meets the minimum requirements for DOT. And the reason why they're so popular is because they're light, they're comfortable, and you wear the thing. They're not hot, they don't itch, they fit in your saddlebags, and you actually wear them. And my goal as a business owner is to try to get people who don't normally wear a helmet. Now, we sell a lot of helmets in helmet law states. I sell more helmets in non-helmet law states because people know they ought to be wearing one. And these things are, it's worth $100 just to shut the wife up, the mother's up, and the daughter's up. Anybody gives you a hard time for not wearing a helmet. But my point is, I'm trying to get a guy who doesn't normally wear a helmet, like in Texas or Florida or some of these non-helmet law states, to wear one. And the reason he doesn't wear one is because they're hot, they're heavy, and they itch. I can give him a product that's safe, especially much safer than not wearing one. It's a safe DOT certified helmet that meets the minimum requirements, so he wears it, makes it comfortable enough for him to wear it. So if he does go down, it increases his chance exponentially of survival. Okay, so what would happen to this gentleman here if he didn't have this on? Look at that. All right, that's one side, that's the other. So he bounced. That's the initial hit right there. It looks like he flipped over and bounced on the other side. So what do you think that noggin would have looked like without this on it? Okay, so you guys out there think these aren't worth it? Think twice, because if you got this on your head, yeah, again, it's not a $500 Shoei. It's not going to protect you like a $500 Shoei. But let me ask you this. You take a damaged helmet in the Shoei and tell them you want another one for free, they're going to laugh at you. What else you want to add?
In Florida, it's hot. In Texas, it's cooking.
Yes, it is.
I wore it in March. In March, in Florida. I loved it. Beautiful. Feels awesome. great, comfortable breathing helmet. Just wonderful.